Do you want to create songs like this?
And we'll ever know. Life goes on.
Or like this?
वो आगे है
Or simply instrumental? In today's video, we'll be using Suno AI to create professional songs. So this is Suno AI. You are supposed to create an account, and I'm sure enough that you are smart enough to create the account by yourself. So let me give you a brief idea about Suno AI. So you will get 50 credits per account in a day. So to create one song, you will need 10 credits. So in an account, you will be able to create 5 songs in a day. So what my recommendation is, if you can make 3-4 Gmail accounts, then you can use it and you can increase the limit of creating the songs. So now to create the song, we need lyrics, right? So I'm taking the lyrics from ChatGPT. So I have wrote a prompt on to write the lyrics for a song on Zindagi in Hindi, and it should sound rhythmic. Okay. And one more thing, whenever you are applying any regional language on Suno AI, make sure it's there on the actual script, Devanagari script for Hindi. So what I will do is I'll copy this. I'll copy the lyrics and paste it on this tab. There are two options, simple or custom. But what my recommendation is, if you go for custom, you will be more familiar with this AI and you can learn how to talk with it. So let me cut these extra words. It's not required. Chorus, pre-chorus. I think yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's good. Now scroll down, and this is the styles. Okay, this is the most interesting part. You can like here you are supposed to describe your song and what genre you want. So what my recommendation is, I will go for an indie, then whistling. I need a little bit of whistling, then chorus. It should have a smooth transition, or yeah, smooth transition, and then let's see what it has recommended me. Acoustic violin. I think it should sound nice. Uh, Powerful melody, masterpiece. And now, as I have selected many options, what I will do is I will click on this button. This button will use AI again, and it will rephrase all my styles into a proper order, which will again boost the taste, the flavor of the song. As you can see, it has made its own assumptions and it has delivered a good this thing. Go to advanced options, and I wanted to make it female, and you cannot optimize these settings because you'll need pro for it. And let's say the song is Zindagi. Create. And these are two songs which I have made earlier, so please kindly ignore these two songs. Yes. So in one go, Suno AI will make 4 songs, 2 premium and 2 free. Okay. Yeah, we're using V5 and 2 using V4.5. And as you can see here, 10 credits of mine have disappeared. Means it has been invested into these songs. So let's hear how it has been created. It's amazing. Yeah.
जिंदगी एक नदी सी बहती चले ख्वाबों की कश्ती को सहलाती चले, कभी धूप घनेरी, कभी छाया मिले।
This has to be my favorite. I'm downloading it. Yeah, let it fully created and won't be able
पर
to.
हर मोड़ पे
Let's hear this one.
एक नदी सी बहती चले, ख्वाबों की कश्ती को सहलाती चले।
And the beauty of this AI is that it is not easy for anyone to guess that it is AI made, it is AI generated. It will take time for the person to recognize that it's AI generated. That's the beauty of this AI. And you know, many people are bounded to ChatGPT and other AI, but they are not aware of Suno AI. So my aim is to make it as popular as I can. So let's enjoy the song.
कभी छाया मिले,
And if you see here,
पर हर
it's a
मोड़
duet of
पे
both
कुछ
male and
नया
female.
सा मिले, चल पड़े तो
बहती चले, ख्वाबों की कश्ती को सहलाती चले। जिंदगी एक नदी सी बहती चले, ख्वाबों की कश्ती को सहलाती चले, कभी धूप घनेरी, कभी छाया मिले, पर हर मोड़ पे कुछ नया सा मिले।
The results are stunning. Now let's try something English, okay? So write me a set of lyrics on society, on the Indian society in English. Let's try something different, okay? Write me a set of lyrics on the Indian society in English. Hmm. Wow. The old and new forever collide. It's pretty long. Let's see. Let's try, okay? Copy, paste. Let's cut these. Pre-chorus. It's not required. We don't have to mention that. Let the AI do its job. Outro. Yeah. And styles. Let's do something different. Guitar, piano, then a little bit of Indian tradition, Indian music, or yeah, Indian instruments. Yeah, better. Indian instruments. Then yeah, reflective lyrics. Then what else? Mm, fast paced. Better. That's AI generated. Let it give its own flavor. Yeah, create again 4, and also you can download it. You can download the output results. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Just click on the three dots, download, and for the preview ones, great for full song. These things. Go here, click here, here, download. Okay, once it is done, you can download it. Okay. Let's try. I have a lot of applause. It's like those news channel intro.
In the crowded streets where the chai cups ring, where chaos still has a rhythm to sing, we rise with hopes that the sun paints gold, new dreams blooming in traditions old. Voices clash but somehow blend.
Amazing,
the thousand
amazing.
paths
Super. Let's try with this one. There's a little chuck in the guitar. Flavor.
in the crowded streets where the chai cups ring, where chaos the sun paints gold, new dreams blooming in traditions old. Voices clash but somehow blend, twist and bend.
Let's try the V5 one.
In the crowded streets where the chai cups ring, where chaos still has a rhythm to sing, we rise with hopes that the sun paints gold, new dreams blooming in traditions old.
Now this was just about creating professional audios from start. What if we could convert raw vocals like this
मेरी बनोगी क्या मेरी रहोगी क्या
to this?
मेरी बनोगी क्या मेरी
Now I have downloaded this raw vocals.
नहीं दिल मेरा कहानी मेरी
It's good. But what if we could add some spice into it? Let's do it with Suno AI. Click on plus audio, upload, and this. And yeah, one small problem is that you can only upload 1 minute of the entire song. That is one drawback, but that's okay. That's completely okay. Let's add the first 1 minute only. Save. Power. Okay, we are not extending the audio. We are changing the style. We are improving the song, the quality of the song. Right? Continue. Let's cut these. Yep, it's uploaded. And if you see, this is the lyrics. Automatically it took the lyrics from this audio. Okay, so let's tweak the style. Let's do nostalgic this time. String orchestra. Then yeah, female and male duet. No, let's not do that. Yeah, pirate rock. It's going to be good. And then yeah, I think that's enough. That should be enough. Okay, let AI do its job. Good. Let's keep it male this time, or just leave it like that. And then yeah, just take the main 3 words. Create. Let's see the magic. It's very dramatic.
कैसे कहूँ तुमसे कि तुम मेरे लिए क्या हो.
What about this one? Next time, if someone asks you, tell them that you listen to music made by yourself. Thanks for watching.